Hi friends, my name is Rudin VS. You're watching me on Techmerize YouTube channel. I hope you are all good. Let's start the video. OnePlus is a brand started as a flagship killer, and right now they consider themselves as a flagship because the latest lineup of OnePlus is costing more than 50,000 rupees a pop. When they have started, OnePlus had clear ideology about the products they are bringing to their customers. So with that ideology, they were able to become the most trusted brand these days. So let's see what is that ideology is. The first thing is giving top of the line specification. They have been providing top of the line specification in their devices, but more importantly, the specification they were giving is not a gimmick. They were not boasting specification just for the sake of it. All the specification they were given is relevant to the softwares available at that time. So the second point is providing the best software experience along with on-time Android updates. So when you talk about software experience, it mainly comes down to the operating system. OnePlus has been giving most user-friendly operating system in all their phones. Earlier they used Cyanogen mode, and right now they are using Oxygen OS, and some people believe the Oxygen OS is better than the stock Android which they are giving in their latest lineup. The third and important ideology among this is keeping a reasonable price for the product you are offering. In all OnePlus lineup, we have seen that they are offering a reasonable price for the product they are offering. But recently we feel like they've had change of heart and they are not a budget flagship killer anymore. So we'll come back to that discussion of price later. So with these ideologies, they have made a name for themselves. They are a very well-known brand right now, and their next in line phone is OnePlus 7. So we need to discuss something about OnePlus 7, then we will come back to the pricing and the secret what I have mentioned in the title of this video. OnePlus 7 is expected to come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 with an in-display fingerprint scanner just like what we have seen in OnePlus 6T. OnePlus 7 will say goodbye to notch and will stick with a pop-up selfie. We will be able to see a triple camera setup in OnePlus 7 with a primary sensor, and the secondary sensor will be a depth sensor. The third camera will be either telephoto or wide angle sensor. We will be able to see a 30-watt fast charger, they are calling it as warp charger, and at least a 4000 mAh of battery in OnePlus 7. So what would be the price of OnePlus 7? We are going to discuss that in our video, but before that, I want you to do something. Just guess what would be the price of OnePlus 7 and mention that in the comment below and see whether you're going on the right direction. Now let's look at the price of OnePlus devices. From their T device to the next generation device, they are increasing price by 6,000 rupees. With that pattern, we can predict that OnePlus 7 will be 6,000 rupees more expensive than 6T, which will put OnePlus 7 at 52,000 rupees. But there is a catch. They have their special edition devices. So let's include special edition prices in this price chart and see what the price of OnePlus 7. With OnePlus 5T Star Wars edition and OnePlus 6 Avengers edition, they have increased 1000 rupees from the existing lineup. But with OnePlus 6T McLaren edition, they went berserk and increased a 5000 rupees from the existing lineup. So when we consider OnePlus 7, they have existing platform of 51,000 rupees. On top of, they can increase 4 or 5,000 rupees. Let's assume they are increasing 5,000 rupees. Then we are getting OnePlus 7 for 56,000 rupees. If there was no special edition like OnePlus 6T McLaren edition and they have directly increased the price from OnePlus 6T to OnePlus 7 around 10,000 rupees, they'll face customers' backlash. So to avoid that, they are increasing the price step by step using a special edition. This is the dark secret of special edition phones in OnePlus. There is more than one perks for releasing a special edition phone. One thing, it will be more expensive, which means it will be more profitable. Another thing, you can still stay trending on the news, which will lead to more sales and more profit. Now we have a brief idea about the corporate secret behind the special edition phones from OnePlus and how it's going to affect the price of OnePlus 7. So let's see how that turns out. That's it friends, thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to click on that subscribe button and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified about the latest tech videos whenever I upload. Have a great day ahead, goodbye and see you on the next video.